traders, welcome to TradersHub Ninja. Today we are going to learn about the moving average indicator. The moving average is one of the most popular indicator used by a large number of traders to identify the market condition. Today we are going to learn indicators. Trading indicators are tools used by traders to analyze financial market and make informed decision about buying or selling assets. They are based on mathematical calculation applied to historical price, volumes or other market data. Now we are going to learn about moving average indicator. Moving average indicator is a popular technical analysis tool used by traders to smooth out price fluctuation and identify trends by creating a single flowing line. Types of moving average. Simple moving average is called SMA, exponential moving average is called EMA, and weighted moving average is called WMA. Uses of moving average indicator. To identify the trend. If the price is above the moving average, it may indicate an uptrend, and if it is below, it may suggest a downtrend. Moving average can act as a dynamic support or resistance levels. Crossover signal. When a short-term moving average crosses above or below a long-term moving average, it considered a bullish or bearish signal respectively. Moving average calculation. The simple moving average for a specific number of days is calculated by summing up by the closing price of the asset for these days and then divided the sum by the number of days. For example, to calculate 5-day SMA, add the closing price of these assets for the past 5 days, divided the sum by 5. That means number of days. This calculation provides the average closing price over the last 5 days, giving you the value of the 5-day SMA. Here, 5 days asset value is 50, 55, 60, 58 and 62. Add these 5 numbers and then divided by 5. So, the 5-day SMA value is 57. Looking at the chart, this one is a USD CHF day chart. In the top, indicator option is available. I just click the indicator option, select the simple moving average. Moving average simple here. I just click the indicator and then look here, indicator settings. I just click the indicator settings, go to the input option, change the length of the moving average, change into 20. Go to the style option, change the thickness of the color. Now 20 moving average added to the chart. How 20 moving average is calculated? This one is the day chart. We are in a 7th December. How to calculate 20 moving average? Previous 20 days candles closing price. Previous 20 days candles closing price, to add this value and divided into the number of 20. We will get the 20-day moving average. Simple moving average. This moving average smooth out the price movement over 20 days period, providing an average value that can help identify the trend or levels of support and resistance. This blue line is the 20-day moving average. How to identify the trend using 20 moving average? How to identify the trend using 20 moving average? If it is an uptrend where the market is above the 20 moving average, we are prepared to take a buy entry. If it is a downtrend, market is below the 20 moving average, we are prepared to take a sell entry. Look here, market is above the 20 moving average. It was an uptrend, we are ready to take a buy entry here. And then look here, market is below the 20 moving average, we are ready to take a sell entry. Market is down, going down. And then look here, market is below the 20 moving average. Downtrend was open. We are prepared to take a sell entry here. Look here, market is below the 20 moving average. Downtrend is open. We are prepared to take a sell entry. So, if it is an uptrend where the market is above the 20 moving average. If it is a downtrend where the market is below the 20 moving average. Market is below the 20 moving average. We are prepared to take a sell entry. Market is above the 20 moving average. We are prepared to take a buy entry. In the next video, we will learn intraday trading using moving average. Don't trade blindly, friends. You should follow your own analysis also. Subscribe to our channel and continue supporting with us for more videos. Thank you for watching.